The Anbernic RGB20SX Plus is a Linux-based retro handheld console for nostalgia fans who want to play thousands of classic games on the go. At its heart is a 3.5-inch IPS display with 640 by 480 pixels. Perfect for classic retro games. Sharp pixel art, rich colors, and a full viewing angle. Inside runs a quad-core ARM Cortex with 256 megabytes of RAM. That's enough for emulation up to the PlayStation 1 era, delivering solid performance, and the battery lasts to 7 hours. What makes this handheld special is its connectivity. 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and HDMI output turn it into a versatile retro station. Connect wireless controllers and play with friends on your TV. The pre-installed 64GB card comes with nearly 5,000 games in 15 formats. Weighing just 300 grams and with compact dimensions, it fits in any pocket. Priced at around $60, it's a real bargain for both a game collection and features like HDMI out. If you love retro gaming and want an affordable all-in-one solution, this device is a strong budget-friendly choice. The Miyoo Mini Plus is a retro handheld console aimed at collectors who value compact design and a large game library. It also features a 3.5-inch HD display, similar to the previous device. The image quality delivers clear, detailed retro visuals that work perfectly for classic titles. Inside, the Miyoo Mini Plus runs hardware optimized specifically for emulation, ensuring smooth gameplay for most 8-bit and 16-bit systems. The 3000 mAh battery lasts around 7 hours, and charging via USB-C is quick and simple. What sets the Miyoo Mini Plus apart is its 128GB storage, double that of the RG35XX Plus. That means plenty of space for a larger game collection without constantly needing to reorganize your library. It supports multiple emulator formats, giving you the freedom to customize your own library just the way you like it. Weighing only 160 grams, it's much lighter than many competitors and easily fits into your pocket. Priced at around $80, it's an excellent mid-range choice for anyone seeking an ultra-portable retro console with maximum flexibility. And as you can see, it gets even smaller. The Powkiddy V10 Mini is aimed at retro gamers who place a high value on portability. Its 3.5-inch IPS display with a 480 by 320 resolution runs at 60 FPS with perfect double-point scaling, delivering buttery smooth animations and pixel-perfect rendering, which really makes a difference in fast-paced arcade titles. Under the hood, it's powered by a quad-core Cortex-A 35 running at 1.5 GHz with 1 GB of RAM, clearly stronger than the previous two devices. This allows for 64-bit 3D emulators and more demanding systems to run smoothly. The hardware supports several open-source systems for maximum flexibility. Crazy enough, the smallest one might actually be the most powerful on the list. What really sets the V10 Mini apart are its integrated save, load, and search functions. You can save at any time and easily search for games, a real quality of life boost. The 3000 mAh battery delivers an impressive 8 hours of runtime. At around $50, it stands out as a strong mid-range option. If you're looking for better performance, longer battery life, and modern convenience features, the Powkiddy V10 Mini is a convincing choice. The Miyoo Mini V4 is the more compact sister of the Mini Plus, aimed at purists who want true pocket size combined with full emulation power. Its 2.8-inch OCA HD display with a 750 by 561 resolution offers the highest pixel density among the models, delivering sharper details and vibrant colors despite the smaller screen. The compact size even allows for one-handed gaming, perfect for when you just can't wait until you're back home. Inside, it's powered by an ARM Cortex-A7, 1.7 GHz, running on Linux. The performance easily handles dozens of emulators and open-source systems with extensive customization options such as game collections, background music swaps, and key mapping. A removable 2000 mAh battery provides the power you need for your favorite games, with a runtime of 5 to 7 hours. Weighing only 260 grams, it's the lightest device on this list, barely noticeable even in your pocket. Priced at around $60, it's in the same range as the RG35XX Plus, with the most compact design. If you're after maximum mobility and a replaceable battery, the Miyoo Mini V4 is the perfect pocket console. Finally, we have the most expensive device on the list. The RGB20SX is designed for hardcore collectors who want to combine a massive game library and premium features in one device. The highlight is its 4.0-inch IPS display with a unique 1:1 aspect ratio and 720 by 720 resolution. The square format displays classic arcade games in their original proportions. Thanks to OCA technology, you get vibrant colors and razor-sharp details. Inside, a powerful processor paired with 1 GB of LPDDR4 RAM ensures stable gameplay without frame drops, even in complex scenes. The open-source system supports over 30 gaming platforms. What truly sets the RGB20SX apart is the 128GB card loaded with over 25,000 pre-installed games, the largest collection on this list. The 5,000 mAh battery delivers an impressive 10 hours of playtime, double that of the Miyoo Mini V4, and supports USB-C fast charging. Connectivity is second to none. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI output, and dual 3D joysticks for precise control. At 320 grams, it's slightly heavier but ergonomically comfortable to hold. Priced at around $95, it represents the premium tier of this lineup. If you want maximum performance, the largest display, and a massive built-in game library, the RGB20SX is the ultimate retro console.